Plant FAQs, Hoya fungii. Hoya fungii, a beginner's guide to this fast-growing climber. Hey there, plant enthusiasts. Fungii here, and today we're diving into the world of Hoya fungii, a captivating climber known for its easygoing nature and fragrant blooms. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or just starting your indoor jungle journey, this beauty is sure to steal your heart. See more 566 species in genus Hoya at monsteraholic.com. What is Hoya fungii? Hoya fungii, hailing from the island of Hainan in China, is a member of the Apocynaceae family, sharing kinship with other popular houseplants like Hoyas and ferns. This fast-growing vine boasts stunning dark green, velvety leaves with prominent veins, adding a touch of lushness to any space. Is Hoya fungii easy to care for? Absolutely. Hoya fungii is a dream come true for beginner plant owners. It thrives on neglect, within reason, of course, and adapts well to a variety of conditions. Here's a quick rundown on its needs. Light, medium to bright indirect light, is ideal. Avoid harsh, direct sunlight that can scorch the leaves. Water, let the soil dry completely between waterings. Overwatering is a major enemy for Hoyas, so err on the side of underwatering. Soil, a well-draining potting mix specifically formulated for cacti or succulents is perfect. Humidity, while Hoya fungii tolerates average household humidity, it truly flourishes with increased moisture. You can group it with other humidity-loving plants or use a pebble tray filled with water. How often does Hoya fungii flower? This is where Hoya fungii shines. Unlike some finicky flowering houseplants, it's known for its prolific blooms. You can expect fragrant, star-shaped white flowers with a red corona to grace your plant twice a year, typically in spring and fall, when temperatures dip slightly. Pro tip, don't prune the flower stalks after blooming. Hoyas can rebloom from the same peduncle, flower stalk, repeatedly. How big does Hoya fungii get? Hoya fungii is a vigorous grower and can reach a mature size of several feet. So, if you're planning on adding this climber to your collection, provide it with ample space to sprawl or a sturdy trellis for support. Common pests and diseases to watch out for. Thankfully, Hoya fungii is relatively pest and disease resistant. However, keep an eye out for common houseplant pests like mealybugs and scale. If you notice any infestation, isolate the plant and treat it with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Hoya fungii versus Carnosa. Hoya fungii and Hoya carnosa, another popular variety, are often confused due to their similar foliage. But there are some key differences. Leaves. Hoya fungii has slightly smaller, velvety leaves with a more defined vein structure compared to Hoya carnosa's glossy, plumper leaves. Flowers. Hoya fungii boasts white flowers with a red corona, while Hoya carnosa flowers come in a wider range of colors, including pink, red, and white. Growth habit. Hoya fungii is a faster grower and tends to be more vigorous compared to Hoya carnosa. Ultimately, both Hoyas are fantastic choices for indoor gardeners. The best pick depends on your personal preference for size, flower color, and growth rate. Where can I buy Hoya fungii? Hoya fungii is becoming increasingly popular and can be found at online plant retailers and specialty nurseries. When purchasing, choose a healthy plant with lush foliage and no signs of pests or diseases. Final thoughts on Hoya fungii. Hoya fungii is a captivating climber that offers the perfect blend of beauty and ease of care. Its stunning foliage, fragrant blooms, and fast growth make it a must-have for any plant enthusiast. With a little TLC, this tropical gem will thrive in your home and reward you with its captivating charm. So, are you ready to welcome Hoya fungii into your plant family? If you have any further questions about this delightful climber, feel free to drop a comment below. Happy planting!